Depression for me is a deep, dark hole. It is fighting demons inside your head. It's fighting a battle on a daily basis with thoughts that you feel that you have no control over. I had the depression because no one could diagnose. I ended up having stage 4 endometriosis, which is a woman's condition. And I had that for 7 years. I had 5 lots of surgery and no one could find out what was wrong with me. I did try and self-medicate with alcohol, which didn't help. It made things worse. I was crying all the time. My daughter used to come and pick out tissues from the box and give them to me and say, "Here, Mum, it's going to be all right." I constantly was moping around and grumpy and angry and get frustrated at the children. And I didn't want to be that mother. I wanted to be a supportive, loving mother. And even though I love my children to bits, I felt that I was neglecting them with true love. It wasn't easy at all to try and seek help, but I knew I had to do it for my children. I wanted to be the best mother I possibly could, and that's when I saw the ad in the paper. On the first day of this program, we were introduced by 2 lovely ladies, Katie and Kerry, and who ran the program. And they were full of life, absolutely full of life. They were laughing, smiling, made us even laugh and smile, and they made us feel so welcome.
During this program, we show them that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, that they can turn their sadness into happiness, and they can see that there's a better life waiting for them.
It was uplifting. It made me want to go every week. It was something to look forward to, and I actually felt that there is hope there. There is really a light at the end of the tunnel. I felt if I could follow this and stick to this, I felt enlightened.
I understand that people out there are hurting, and I understand that they need help. And to me, it's important that they come to the right place to get it, and they can be well. I know they can be well. I've seen that happen over and over again.
I did used to believe in God, but I had some childhood experiences that turned me away from the God as such. For me, it was quite hard to pray in the beginning because I hadn't done this for years, and but I joined in, and I thought I really need to think this through and take this on board, and I did. And by doing this and praying with Katie and Kerry, it actually worked. I felt better in myself. I felt that there is a presence out there, and it made me realise that there is a God in this world.
Let's make no mistake about this. Jesus is really the healer. He's the one that offers help and healing. And we like to follow in his footsteps. He actually practically helped people, and he showed them what it was that he could do to help them, and then they followed him.
I feel that, this course has helped me so much, not only for the mental side of things, but also to have God in my life and to realise that he has always been here, and that I know that he'll always be in my life and he'll be beside me, and it's a journey that I'm going to continue for the rest of my life.
Adventist Health are very passionate about helping people too, and they saw a need in our communities. They've seen this opportunity to be able to use this program, and they have backed it. It's delightful that ADRA have got on board with this program. They also see the value in it, and they believe that it can tremendously help people too. And their involvement is critical to bringing the program within the financial reach of New Zealanders, the average New Zealander.
Edra believes this program can make a difference. The Depression and Anxiety program was created to help and educate communities about making positive, healthy change. Edra saw how important this is for New Zealanders. Partnering with the Adventist Health Ministry and the church, we now provide this program to the community for a fraction of the cost, making it affordable for everyone.
Because of their involvement, we've been able to give this to the communities at a much more reasonable rate.
I feel that the people that have created this depression and anxiety program are amazing, and I just only wish that all people who are suffering from anxiety and depression could take this course. It changed my life, and I know that it can change theirs.